Welcome to Zeal Nutri channel. Today we will discuss how and when to take Viagra, Sildenafil. Before starting this video, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. There are different questions related to Viagra, so today we will discuss them one by one. What is Viagra? Viagra or Sildenafil is a generic drug used to increase blood flow to the penis and improve erectile function. This medicine is available on prescription and you can also buy it from most pharmacies. It comes as standard tablets, chewable tablets, and as a liquid that you swallow. Make sure to obtain this medication from your doctor or pharmacist. What does Viagra look like? It is blue color, 4-sided tablet. Is Viagra safe for me? This medication is used in men over the age of 18 as a treatment for erectile dysfunction, so you should avoid this medication if you also take medicines called nitrates, often given for chest pain, because the combination can cause a dangerous fall in your blood pressure. Having an allergic reaction to sildenafil or any other medicine, or have a serious heart or liver problem. If you're not sure, ask your doctor or pharmacist before taking this medication. Dosage of Viagra or sildenafil. What is the correct dose of Viagra? It is recommended by your doctor. Usually, 50 mg is used. Different strengths are available, including a lower 25 mg, and a higher 100 mg, and can be chosen based on how effective the treatment is for you. How often can I take Viagra? Don't take Viagra or sildenafil more than once a day. Taking medication more often can cause overdose and unwanted side effects, such as headache, nasal congestion, back or muscle pain, nausea, dizziness, flushing, rash, changes in vision, heartburn. If overdose, then consult your doctor. How should I take Viagra? Viagra or sildenafil take around 30 to 60 minutes to work for erectile dysfunction. You can take it up to 4 hours before you want to have sex and still be just as effective. It is advisable to take it with empty stomach with a glass of water. It's okay to drink alcohol along Viagra, but alcohol can make it difficult to achieve an erection. Importantly, taking Viagra won't just give you erection. You need to get into the mood for erection to develop. How do the effects last? Using this medication, you can achieve an erection between 1 to 4 hours after ingestion. Erection should go away after sex naturally. What are the side effects? Serious side effects. Priapism, sometimes painful erection that lasts longer than 4 hours. Loss of vision. Decreased hearing or loss of hearing. Heart problems, such as heart attack. Allergic reaction. Mild side effects of Viagra. Headache. Nasal congestion. Back or muscle pain. Nausea. Why does my medication not work? Viagra may not work for everybody, so please speak to your doctor or pharmacist. Sometimes medication does not work because the current dose you are taking is not correct for you. Or you have to wait too long time, so alternative medications are available like Tadalafil, Cialis. So if Viagra is not working for you, then ask your doctor for alternatives. Medical disclaimer. This content is not intended to be a substitute for professional medical advice, diagnosis, and treatment. Please consult with your physician with any questions that you may have regarding a medical condition. Never disregard medical advice or delay in seeking it because of something you watch in this video. If you're not sure, ask your doctor or pharmacist before taking this medication. Thanks for watching my video. If you like, then share it with others.